looking in the wrong spot. Over there. Hi everyone, Kelly here from Kelly Chassis Fine Art. And in today's course, what I'm going to show you how to do is create some absolutely gorgeous alcohol ink coasters and doorknobs. So stick around and I'll show you all the details. In this course, we'll learn about some functional art, creating these knobs and these coasters that you can use around your own house or give away as gifts to friends and family, or start selling them yourself in a craft store or Etsy shops. I'll cover all the materials that you will need for these 3 do-it-yourself projects. So I look forward to seeing you inside the course, and I can't wait to get started.